Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you've been using your Frigidaire ice maker regularly, over time you might notice the ice quality changing. Maybe it tastes slightly off, looks cloudy, or production slows down. That's usually a sign that the internal system needs cleaning. Instead of taking the machine apart, Frigidaire includes a built-in self-cleaning mode that flushes out residue, mineral deposits, and buildup from inside the unit. Many users don't realize this feature exists or aren't sure how to activate it properly. Running this cycle not only improves ice quality, but also helps extend the life of the machine. The process is simple, but following the correct sequence ensures everything gets cleaned thoroughly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the self-cleaning mode on your Frigidaire ice maker. Try these. 1. Turn off the ice maker and empty all ice from the storage bin. 2. Drain any remaining water from the reservoir completely. 3. Fill the tank with clean water and approved cleaning solution. 4. Press and hold the clean or self-clean button to activate the mode. 5. Allow the cycle to run fully without interruption. 6. Drain and rinse with fresh water, then restart for normal use.